OpenAI's DevDay just happened, and it comes with four big updates. So the real-time API, vision fine-tuning, prompt caching, as well as distillation. First, let's dive into the real-time API. So this is going to be how developers can leverage and build applications that are similar to ChatGPT's advanced voice mode, which you've probably seen demos of. They have this new real-time API support for natural speech-to-speech conversations, but they also are introducing the ability to have audio input and output from the chat completions API. One of the nice things with the chat completions model is you can pass in text, audio, or both into the input. The way that the real-time API works is through a persistent webhook connection. One of the issues with the previous approach of if you wanted to pass in speech to a model is you'd first have to pass it into something like Whisper, and then you'd have to pass in the text that you got back from Whisper into a model for inference. What happens with this approach, as they describe, is it results in loss of emotion, emphasis, access. In addition to that, also the latency. The way that this works for building it out within an application is it's through a persistent WebSocket connection. Essentially, as you're speaking into your microphone, it's going to be streaming that response to the OpenAI endpoint, and vice versa, it's going to be streaming those responses back that you can consume within your application. Now, something that I'm personally excited about is that this API supports function calling. Just think about that. You can speak to the model, and if all of a sudden you wanted to invoke different actions, whether it's within a web app or within a mobile app or what have you,